What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. I'm going to be sticking with this video theme for a little bit. We're going to call it a kit spotlight. Let us know if you like it better or worse than our old formats, but I'm going to stick with this for a little bit and just see what we can do. Today we are installing the 3.5-inch bolt-on kit for the 2019 Toyota Tundra. This kit doesn't require any cross-member drops, so no cutting into your truck or anything like that. Really the hardest part about this kit is changing out the upper control arm. So out front, what this kit is going to give you is a strut extender puck. If you are looking for an upgraded ride quality, you can go with the M3 struts, but these factory Toyota struts are pretty good actually. So we just stuck with the strut extender. And then out front, we've also got a replacement upper control arm, and that'll give you better down travel. Now out back, this kit has a 1-inch block and then of course the N3 replacement shocks. The N3s are a great replacement for upgrading that factory ride. They are still twin tube. Obviously Rough Country has come out with those monotube shocks, so that can be upgraded as well. The wheels we used are a 20x10 Motiv Mutant. They are a gloss black and a -25 offset, so they give us a nice little poke outside of the fenders here. And of course, the tires are a Kenda Klever. You might notice that we put a lot of these Kenda Klevers on these trucks. These are kind of a win-win situation because you do get the rugged off-road look, that monster truck look that you might be looking for on your build, without having to go with the cheaper mud tires and getting the hum and the poor ride quality that you would get with those. You can also get a great rugged terrain tire without really having to break the bank. There are a lot of those tier 1 brands out there, but we definitely appreciate the price tag on these. This truck did require the same kind of body chop that Tacoma did. That card will be in the top right corner of the screen. All right guys, thumbs up, subscribe. We're gonna bring you a ton more videos like this, and peace.